All right, here we go. Turn them off. A little bit of smoke. Wow, got bees up here. Anyways, where's my hive tool? We can get organized. Okay, I think we're ready. So I got my empty box over there. That's where the honey's gonna end up. Just give the girls at the front a little heads up, I'm coming. And might as well take this top screen off. Wow, they got that propolized pretty good today. And we're gonna crack the top. And we'll give them a little puff. Let them calm down a little bit and gorge themselves. Makes my job a lot easier. Boy, oh boy. They spent their time wisely. These guys love to propolize. Alright. Pick her up, give them a few puffs. Give them a sec to gorge on honey. Makes it a lot easier on both me and them if they're comfortable and full. Smoke also masks hormones, pheromones they give off when they sting. So if I do get stung or they sting my glove, they will, smoke helps mask that. Otherwise you get ones followed by two, followed by 10. You get it. All right, let's give her a go. So the underside of the lid, it's pretty typical. Got bees, some comb, and a little bit of honey in there too. Better set this out front. So those worker bees can walk right back up there if they want to. Just having a look inside. Just at first glance, this looks like she's right packed. So, as suspected, these guys are ready for another box, but I'm going to take some of this out. Let's get started on that. A little more smoke, drive those ones down that are in there. Good. I always start in the middle with honey frames. Oh wow. Propolis is crazy in this hive. Oh, they got everything plugged right up. Now we're going to try to lift one of these suckers out. If I can get the propolis to let go. It's really hot today, so that makes it just stickier. Ah, there we go. Okay, there's one gorgeous frame of honey. So, shake them off. Brush whatever's left. Just be as gentle as I can. Don't want to kill bees if we don't have to. Get off there. She goes. There's no bees in the box. No bees in the box. That's always the goal. All right, we're just gonna keep going here. We got lots to do. So now I'm just gonna break some of them free. Come on, girlie, get out of there. I feel like I'm herding cattle here. All right, another one. Beautiful, heavy frame of honey. Shake them girls off. Brush the rest. Come on, where you go? Oh, we're good. Oh, one more. One more little girl hanging on there. Shoot. Come on, shoot. 2. 14 to go. So these guys are just packing in here. Looking down, I got some brace comb, like a crazy amount underneath here. I'm gonna have a little bit of a mess when I get this box off. I might leave it there for now. I'll bring you back when I get this box done.